Crisis doesn't wait. When disaster strikes, organizations have minutes to coordinate response. But today, response time average 4 hours plus because there is no single system. Teams use email, Slack, spreadsheet. Chaos. People suffer. Business collapses. There's been no solution. Here's why those 4 hours happens. Information is scattered, roles are uncleared, and everyone is making decisions from different versions of the truth. The incident commander is asking, what's happening? Who is where? What's the priority? Why field teams are improvising in WhatsApp chats and spreadsheets? Picture a hospital hit by ransomware, a city dealing with flooding, or an NGO coordinating relief after an earthquake. Different crises, same failure mode. Coordination collapses, no one knows who is responsible. Updates disappear, critical information is lost. That is why I'm building this management system that turns any crisis into an operation in one place. You declare an incident, auto-assign roles, activate a response playbook, and track tasks, updates and resources live so everyone move together. So basically, CrisisOps is a crisis management app which puts all the solution in one go. Information is coordinated and placed in one go. So all you have to do is sign in on the user app, sign up if you don't have an account, or sign in on the user app. Once you are into the account, you see a dashboard which shows emergency call, and then this emergency call picks your emergency service per your location. So these numbers that are showing here are determined by your location. So on the point of signing up, the app will ask to get your location. So with that, it can get the emergency call for that location. So with that, you will know your current location, and then you can get the emergency call for that location. Also, you can get survival kit. So in case there is flooding and then there is no service, you can't reach out to the nearest aid or help. All you have to do is click on whatever hazard that is currently happening. If it's a flood, and then you will get a an hazard pack which is already pre-made by the organization. So this hazard pack, you can save it offline for the time probably there is network outage or there is no network. So you can save it offline, and then you get some tasks that you have to do. So you have tasks like move immediately to higher ground. Once you've done that, you can click on it. Avoid walking through moving waters. Once you do that, you can click on, then you do that until you are done with all the tasks you've done, and then you get tasks you never drive through the flood if you're in a car. And then if you want to call an emergency number, probably you have access to the network or internet, and then you can, this is an emergency script, because most of the time when people are in hazard, they begin to panic and don't know what to say. So this app already give you a template on what to say. So we have different kind of hazards. We have fire, medical, road accident. So whatsoever it is that you are passing through, you can just click on it, and then you get predetermined um predetermined steps that you need to take to make sure you are safe. And also, if there is an issue and then you want to report a flood, a fire outbreak, a medical or a building collapse, you can just click on what you want to report. Is it an immediate danger? You pick the how high it is it significant? After doing that, click on, then you can add a picture. You can take a picture, or you can add picture to prove that truly the hazard is, so that the team can know how serious the situation is. And then you can get your location. So this get GPS is going to get your exact location of what's happening. Or if you don't want that, you can manually type it into this location description. And then what do you see? You see building collapse. Then you can put in your phone number if you want them to reach out to you, and then you submit. So on this page of submit, if there's no internet, currently now we are currently online, if there's no internet, it's going to save to your phone and automatically sends when there's internet. So you don't have to, so in a situation where there's no internet and then you already sent the information, it save it on your local storage on your phone. So immediately your phone picks an internet, it's going to pick it up from there. So this is, if our previous one we sent and this is another one that we've sent. So once you get that, then we have the admin dashboard that picks up this information in one go. So there's no need for us to go to a separate place. This admin dashboard has all the information here in one go. So all you have to do is just, the admin team, all you have to do is just come to this dashboard and see the recent activity that just happened. So this is the recent activity that I just reported now, an incident, building collapses just now. And then all you have to do is, go to the risk percentage is there, click on it, you see the list of incidents that are happening. All you have to do is check the information, look at the picture. This was the picture I added when I was creating the building collapsing. So we have to confirm. So you have a team that will confirm if truly the accident is currently on or not. So once you verify it, you can assign a team, so you can assign an organization to this current collapse. So you can just assign an organization, and then you assign the organization to the current building collapse, and then you dispatch a team immediately. So the response is immediate. You are not going into WhatsApp to get information or going elsewhere to get, all the information is happening here, and then you mark in progress because you've dispatched a unit, then you mark it in progress. The unit is currently working on it, and immediately the deed has been done, the solution has been carried out, or the aid has been given to those injured. Then you can resolve this incident, that the incident is already done and everything gets marked here. You get marked, this incident is resolved, there's a solution for it. And then this location, if you want to get the full location, you can just go to the map view, and then you get the full location of where it is currently happening. So with this, you can just check through, and then you see the full information. So this is a report that was earlier sent by another person. This is 3 hours ago, fire accident. This is flood report by someone. So everything is happening on the platform. All your information, everything is happening on the platform. So all you have to do is just come into this admin dashboard, and then you have everything synced in one place. So there's no need for us to go into separate place to get information and trying to find things around. So because that accident has been resolved, it is currently not showing because it is resolved. These are unresolved accidents, events, hazards. That's why we are still seeing it here. So once I resolve it, it's going to move away from the dashboard. And then we have users. So these are organizations, those that are in charge. So we have available organization in the system, then government officials, those that are at the top. And then we have hazard pack. So this hazard pack is a place where you create hazard pack for a particular space, because we know that for different location there are different type of hazards. So we have here in Ikeja, if whatever the hazard that happened there is flood, you can create an hazard pack here, and then you deploy it so the user can download it and save it down for a situation where the it happens in the nearest future. So if it is in your location, there is avalanche or snow or whatever it is that happen, you can create an hazard pack here and then deploy it so that your users in that location can download it and save it for the nearest future. So this is basically what Crisis Up does. It helps save life and then makes information clustered in one place so that carrying out the task from the beginning to the end can be seamless and life can be saved in instance. Thank you so much.